Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Bayu Baragama from class A. Today I would like to deliver a public service announcement about an issue that often remains hidden, yet affects millions of people around the world. Sexual violence. Many cases of sexual violence are never reported, not because they do not happen, but because survivors are afraid to speak up. Through this public service announcement, I want to remind everyone that reporting sexual violence matters and survivors are never alone. Sexual violence includes any unwanted sexual act, harassment, or abuse. It can happen to anyone regardless of age, gender, background, or social status. The impact of sexual violence is not only physical, but also emotional and psychological. Survivors may experience fear, shame, trauma, anxiety, and loss of trust. Sadly, instead of receiving support, many survivors face blame, disbelief, or silence from society. One of the biggest reasons sexual violence goes unreported is fear. Survivors often fear being judged, not being believed, or being blamed for what happened to them. Some are afraid of retaliation from the perpetrator, especially when the offender is someone they know, such as a friend, partner, or authority figure. Others simply do not know where or how to report safely. These barriers make survivors feel isolated and powerless. However, reporting sexual violence is an important step toward justice and healing. When survivors report, they are not only standing up for themselves, but also helping to protect others from experiencing the same harm. Reporting allows authorities and institutions to take action, hold perpetrators accountable, and create safe environments. More importantly, reporting opens the door to medical care, counseling, and emotional support that survivors deserve. It is also important to remember that reporting does not always mean going to the police immediately. Survivor can start by talking to someone they trust, such as a friend, family member, counselor, or a support organization. There are hotlines, hospitals, and victim support services that provide confidential help and guidance. Survivors have the right to choose when, where, and how they share their story. For those who are not survivors, we also have a responsibility. We must listen without judgment, believe survivors, and offer support instead of question or blame. Creating a safe and supportive environment encourages survivors to speak up and seek help. In closing, sexual violence thrives in silence, but change begins when we speak up. If you or someone you know has experienced sexual violence, know that your voice matters. Your experience is valid and help is available. Together we can break the silence, support survivors, and build a community where respect, safety, and justice come first. Thank you.